Good morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. Good
Sir,
morning.
please give me the permission to read.
Okay. So today we will have revision of chapters area and perimeter and volume. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
Get ready with your copies, fair copies. You don't need the book, okay? All of you. You only need the copy. I will be giving you questions and you will start doing them. So let me share my white screen.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, to do.
Yes, beta, this is your first question, all of you. Good morning, Mandav. Can you see it on your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, now we can't.
Yeah. Start doing it. This is the first question. I want answers from everyone in the group. Okay. All of you. Not only 3, 4, 5, 6 students. I
Okay,
want
sir.
answers from everyone. Yes, done. All of you. Very simple question. You must have done it by now. Start posting it now. Everyone.
Sir, I'm doing. Please give me 1 more minute.
Okay. All of you, just 1 minute more. Be a little quick in giving your answers. Okay.
Sir, I have given the answer.
Okay, I'm checking it. What about the others? Do you all wait that Adya will post
Sir,
it first in the
hearing.
group and then you do it with the help of the solution that Adya has sent in the group and then you post it. Many of you do like this, I know. I know many students in the class do like this.
Sir,
No,
I'm
sir.
sending.
They cheat each other's work. Some of the students are doing it on their own. Very good. I appreciate. But some of you are doing like this only. Beta Adya,
Yes, sir.
what is the formula of area of a parallelogram?
Sir, base into height.
Very good.
Sir, what is the second question?
Wait a minute, beta. Let everyone complete this first. Then only I will send the second one. See,
Sir,
I
I
have
have sent mine.
very good.
Sir,
I
it
will
is.
just check your answer.
Sir, is my answer correct?
Beta Adya, just wait a minute. Actually. 5B students, no one has posted the answer till now. How much time will you take to post to do one question and post your answer? How much time for one question? Huh? 5B. I will decide your marks on the basis of this. That how much time you take to do the questions, whether you are doing it correctly on your own or not, or you are cheating someone else's work or not. All this on the basis of all this. Now let me tell you from 5A, Adeshika, Advika, and Shriyansh have posted the answer, but they have cheated from Adya's work.
Sir, I have not cheated as my answer was not coming right, so I have checked first.
Sir, I have also sent.
Ojasvi has sent, and only Ojasvi's answer is correct out of all the answers, because Adya has made a mistake in her solution. By mistake, she has done something wrong. Otherwise, most of the time, she is the first one to give the answer, and her answers are correct. But today, because she has made a mistake in her answer, so the ones who have cheated, they have also done it wrong. Like Adeshika, Advika, and Shriyan. I know Advika does not cheat most of the time, but today she has also cheated. Advika, this is not expected from you. Do you all know what is the area of a parallelogram? It is base into height. And if you have to find height of the parallelogram, it is the formula is area divided by base. It is not a triangle. In case of triangle, when you find height, you write 2 into area upon base. But it is not a triangle, it is a parallelogram. The formula will be area divided by base. Ojasvi has done it correctly. She has not written the formula although, but the solution is correct. All of you, try to improve yourself. Don't cheat with others. Okay. This revision is taken only because we teachers want you all to perform good in your exams, to learn something, take some knowledge, take help from these, take full benefit of these revision classes. And when you go to the next class, you have sufficient amount of knowledge that you are able to understand what is being taught in the classes. So area is equal to base into height in case of a parallelogram. Here you have to find the height of the parallelogram. So area divided by base. This is the formula of height. What is the area in this case? 105 meters square, and base of the triangle is 7. So when you divide 105 by 7, you get 15 meters. Height of the parallelogram is 15 meter, not 30 meter. Now, do you get it? Why I am saying that many of you have cheated? Do you get the reason? Adeshika has deleted her answer. Are they understood what is the mistake in the question?
Yes, sir.
I don't expect from the next question you all will, I expect that you all will be doing it on your own. You will not cheat. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Will you do it on
Yes,
your
sir.
own, everyone? Try your best. If you are doing mistakes when you are doing on your own, there is no problem in that. And when you are cheating, even if you are doing right, then there is no use of doing it. Because I can catch, even if you cheat Suppose you're doing 5 questions and you have cheated in 1 question, I will catch you. I have caught you in the previous classes also, everyone. But I don't mention your name every time. I don't like doing it in the class in front of other students to take names of any 1 or 2 students. Are you getting my point? So I don't want to specially mention your name in front of everyone. So give your best. You are doing mistake, that is okay, but do it yourself. Are you getting it or not, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Adya has done a mistake, but that is okay. No problem. Students can make mistakes. There is no problem in that. But at least she has done it on her own. She has tried. Okay, everyone, next question. Find the, I'm writing it on the screen. Just a minute. Find the length of a rectangle in which the breadth is 9 meter and the area is 144 meters square. Full stop. And the length of a rectangle in which the breadth is 9 meter and the area is 144 meters square.
Sir, done.
Dhwani, I'm checking it. Only Dhwani has posted the answer in the group, 5B group. Dhwani, you can send your answer of the second one. I have seen your first one, it is correct. Very good.
Percent.
Correct answer, Dhwani. Very good.
Sir, I also sent.
Sir, I have
Okay.
also shared.
Arnav,
Sir, I'm shared.
Yes, sir.
what is this? You have just written the formula and directly written the answer. Where is the solution where you have put the values and the answer is also wrong? First question. You will not show any steps. You will just write the formula and the answer. Huh? Even the answer is wrong. Oh, just be correct. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Priyansh, correct. Very good. Adya, correct. Very good. Rest of you post it. Arvika. Correct, Advika. Very good.
Sir, please give the next question.
Yeah. Rest of you post the answer of the second one quickly. And 5B students, what is wrong
Sir,
with you
please
all?
Sir, please wait. I'm just doing the answer.
Let's do the next question. Everyone.
yes, sir, please write.
Find the volume of a cube which has each side of 6 centimeters. This is your next question on the board. Start doing it.
Sir, I have sent Arnav.
Arnav checking. Arnav, you will not correct your first one?
Sir, I'm correcting it.
And in the second one, the answer is 16 meter, not centimeter.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, we have to find its answer in a centimeter or ml.
Which one? This one? Find the
Yes, sir, the
volume,
third.
not capacity. I'm asking the volume. If I ask you the
Sir, I have
capacity,
sent
then
the
you
answer.
give your answer in liters or milliliters. Okay.
Sir, I have sent the answer.
Okay, Adya, just a minute. Virat Yadav has also sent. Very good, Adya. Correct. Virat Yadav, correct answer. Second question correct. Riyansh, third one is correct. Very good.
Sir, please give the fourth question.
Just a minute. Let everyone complete the third one. All of you, just few seconds more. 30 seconds. Complete the third one and post the answer. All of you. Or just be correct. Third one. Find the capacity of a cuboidal box which has length of 5 centimeter, breadth of 4 centimeters, and height of 11 centimeters. Full stop. Advika, in the third one, the answer is 216 centimeter cube, not 226. When you multiply 6 3 times, you will get 216, 216 centimeter cube. Correct the unit also. Understood, Advika?
Yes.
5B. Mehul has given the
Sir, I have given the first one also.
Mehul.
Sir, I have given the
This
second
is
one, sir. I don't
this is
do this.
not correct, Mehul. Here the area and breadth are given. You have to find the length, Mehul. You don't have to find the area. Area is already given in the question in the second one. You can see area is 144. You have to find the length.
I've given fourth
How
one
will you
also.
find the length of a rectangle? What is the formula of finding the length of a rectangle, Mehul? Length is equal to area divided by breadth. Area
please give
divided
the
by
next
breadth. Yes, yes, Anand. Dhoni, your third one is correct. Do the fourth one.
Sir, I have given the answer of
216
the
centimeter cube, Dhoni. Okay. Hridyansh, second one is wrong. Same mistake which Mehul has made. You have also made the same mistake. Are you copying from Mehul, Hridyansh?
Sir, please give the next question.
Just a minute. Shriyansh, answer is correct, Shriyansh, but first you will find the volume in 220 centimeter cube and then change it to capacity, and in the last you will add 220 ml. पहले centimeter cube में लिखेंगे आंसर को, Shriyansh. Okay, although it is correct, but just make a small change. Virat Yadav, correct both the questions, second and third. Adya, correct, very good. Ojasvi, change it in capacity. You have
Sir, we
calculated the
have to
volume
change.
in milliliters. Change your answer in milliliters. Advika, you also change your answer in milliliter.
Sir, I have sent mine.
Dhwani, it is correct, but when you are writing your answer in milliliter, you don't write 3 in the power. When you're writing 220, it is centimeter cube, correct? Power is 3. But when you're writing it in milliliter, you don't write 3 in the power. Okay? 220 milliliters. Only milliliter, not milliliter cube. Okay, everyone, write down the next question. The volume of a cuboidal box is 300 centimeter cube, full stop. Find the height of the box if its length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 12 centimeter. Full stop.
Sir, I am asking that this is the fifth one.
Yes. Now you don't write any statements or anything. You do your work in very short. अरे अच्छा बेटा विराट, when you're writing V, just write the full form volume, C capacity. Don't write it in short.
Okay,
Arnav, you
sir.
also. Have you all done the fifth one? Post your answer if you have done.
Sir, doing 1 minute.
So can you tell me in the fifth part at the where we are doing the answer, where we have to divide or multiply?
Beta, in the fifth question, the volume is given. Volume of a cuboid is given.